A very good afternoon, my dear children. Okay, in today's social class, we are going to learn lesson number 13. Okay, lesson number 13. We have completed till lesson number 12, and today we are going to learn lesson number 13. What's the topic of the lesson is the clothes we wear. Okay, take your book and turn your book to page number 81. Okay, the topic of the lesson is the clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. Okay, yes. India has places that are cold and places that are hot. Cold and hot. Okay. In cold places, people wear woolen clothes. You can underline it. Okay. Cold places, what type of dress they wear? They wear woolen clothes. Okay, to protect from the cold. And in places which are hot, people wear cotton clothes. Okay. During the summer time, they wear cotton clothes, and during the winter time, they wear woolen clothes. Okay. Yes. So the climate of a place, you have to underline it. The climate of a place determines the type of clothes they wear. Okay. The climate plays a crucial, very important role in determining the kind of clothes to be worn. Okay. The climate plays an important role in determining what kind of clothes to be worn. There are some clothes that are common and popular throughout India. Throughout India. What are they? Saris, salwar kameez, trousers, shirts, skirts, churidar, kurta and jeans. These are some common and popular clothes throughout India. Okay. Some clothes are owned by people of certain areas only, and these are called traditional clothes. What are traditional clothes? Some clothes which are owned by people of certain areas only. They are called as traditional clothes. And one can often recognize the area to which a person belongs from her or his dress. You can easily identify from the clothes they wear, from which place they are coming from. Okay. Yes. What women wear. What women wear. Next topic we are going to learn is what women wear. Indian women wear clothes according to the region they live in. Indian women wear clothes according to the region they live in and the climate of the region. Okay. Climate of the, it's already said, the women's clothes depend upon the region they are from and the climate of the region. Sari is the most common dress owned by women in India. It is the common dress. Sari owned differently in different states. Okay, and it is the most common clothing in India. Sari. And it is owned in different styles. We can guess the state to which the woman belongs to from the way she wears her sari. Okay, it is. Hi children, I welcome you back to the social class. Okay, in social lesson we have completed. We have finished lesson number 13, isn't it? Yesterday. Yes. What's the topic? The clothes we wear. We have completed lesson 13. We'll do the. In this video, we can you will see the book exercises. Okay. Yes. Okay. First one, page number 83, filling the blanks. Okay. In summer, people wear cotton clothes. What type of clothes they will wear on summer? Cotton. The answer is cotton. Okay. In summer, people wear cotton clothes. In summer, people wear cotton clothes. Second one, clothes owned by people of a particular region are called traditional clothes. Clothes owned by people of a particular region are called traditional clothes. Spelling Traditional, traditional clothes. Third one, women wear dash in Himachal Pradesh. What type of dress they will wear? Pattu. Pattu. Pattu in Himachal Pradesh. Dash is owned by women in Rajasthan. What type of dress they own in Rajasthan? Gagra choli. Gagra choli. Spelling Gharaghra Choli. Gagra choli. Gagra choli is owned by women in Rajasthan. And fifth one. Men in Dash wear a mundu. Men in people who live in Kerala. The answer is Kerala. Men in Kerala wear a mundu. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'll repeat one more time. In summer, people wear what type of clothes? Cotton clothes. In summer, people wear cotton clothes. Second one, clothes owned by a people of a particular region are called what clothes? Traditional clothes. Particular region means traditional clothes. Third one, women wear pattu in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, the clothes owned by women in Himachal Pradesh are called pattu. Okay. And fourth one, Dash is owned by women in Rajasthan. Gagra choli. Gagra choli. Ghara. Gagra choli is the dress owned by women in Rajasthan. And fifth one, men in Kerala wear mundu. Okay. Next, we move on to choose the correct answer. Okay. Yes. First one. The clothes we wear depend upon the climate. The answer is climate. The clothes we wear depends upon the climate. Second one. This can be worn in different styles. Which can be shirt or sari or trouser? Sari. Sari in North India it will be different and in South it will be different. Okay. The sari is worn in different styles. And third one. Women in Assam wear Meghla Chatur. Meghala. Mekhla. Meghla Chatur. Okay. Women in Assam wear Meghla Chatur. In Tamil Nadu, the lungi is called as Veshti. Veshti. In Tamil Nadu, the lungi is called as Veshti. Fifth one, the ullan kurta that people wear in Jammu and Kashmir is called as Firan. Jammu and Kashmir, the ullan kurta, the people wear in Jammu and Kashmir, the name is called as Firan. Phiran. Firan. Okay. Yes. Next we move on to the underlined words. The underlined words in each sentence is incorrect. Okay. And you have to write the correct word on the blank. Okay, first one. People wear cotton clothes when it is cold. Cotton is wrong. What type of dress they will wear during this winter season? Woolen clothes. The answer is woolen. Woollen. Woolen. People wear woolen clothes when it is cold. Faneek is owned by women in Rajasthan. It is not Rajasthan, it is wrong. But Faneek, Phanek is a dress owned by women in Manipur. The answer is Manipur. 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 Third one. Young girls in North India wear pattu pavadai. It is wrong. It is not North, but the answer is South. Young girls in South India. South India wear pattu pavadai. Fourth one. The lungi is called a turban in Kerala. It is wrong. Turban is wrong. It is called, the lungi in Kerala is called as mundu. 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 Okay. Yes. Next we move on to the question answers. First one. Answer these question. First question. Why do people wear different types of clothes? Okay. Why do people wear different types of clothes? Why? I've already seen. Yes, because people wear different types of clothes. In North it will be different, in South it will be different. Why? Because different places have different climate. The answer is climate. Okay, the climate varies from place to place. That's why people wear different types of clothes in different types of clothes in our country. Okay, the answer is different places have different climate. Second one, what do women in India wear? Second question, what do women in India, what type of dress they wear, women? Yes, saris. Sari is the most common dress. Okay, look at the picture, page number 82. Okay, page number 82. Sari is the most common dress owned by women in India. Which is the common dress owned by women in India? Sari. Sari is the most common dress owned by women in India. Next question. Third question. What is the third question? What is the Firan? What is the Firan and in which state is it owned? What is the Firan? We have learnt, isn't it? Yes, third one. Firan is nothing but a long woolen kurta owned in which place? In Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Firan is a long woolen kurta owned in Jammu and Kashmir. Which place? Jammu and Kashmir. It's called as Firan. And the last question is, what do people wear on special occasion? What do people wear on special occasion? What type of dress they wear on special occasions? Page number 83. On special occasions. What is the special occasions? Like wedding and festivals, Diwali, Pongal, isn't it? Yes, on special festivals, all types of festivals. And parties also. On special occasions, such as weddings and parties, people wear special clothes, like such as silk sari, suits with tie and sherwanis. Okay, this is a type of a dress wear by people on special occasion. On special occasions, like such as weddings and parties, people wear special clothes such as silk saris, suits with ties and sherwanis. Okay, that's it. Okay, children, I hope you understood. Just go through for your homework, children. Go through all the book back exercises, filling the blanks. Just 5 filling the blanks. Learn and write without Gagra Choli, traditional, all spellings. Write 5 times. That is your homework. And without any spelling mistakes, try to write all the question answers. Okay. I hope you got the WhatsApp book back exercises. No need to copy it in your note, but your spellings and the 4 question answers, isn't it? Yes, 4 questions. 4 questions with the answer. Copy it in your classwork note. Okay, 10 spellings and the 4 question answers. Copy it in your classwork note and learn the questions. By next week, I'll give you a test in this lesson. Okay, question answers will be given test on by next week. So be thorough and prepare well. Okay, and for your homework, learn all the book back exercises and question answers of lesson number 13. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, children.